Hello guys, and the vlogs ni what's up guys, magbasa daytan. And there's a previous lesson. You'll learn about games and sports and how this can help contribute to improvement of your physical fitness. What kind of games and sports do you like to play? Do you like tactical games and which you strategies how to attack or defend your time's territory? If student innovation games are for you. If you enjoy playing the shoots, opponents cannot return it. Then netball games are for you. If you like the thrill of such sports as baseball, softball, and kickball, then striking fielding games are for you. And this lesson, you will learn more about games and sports in which you aim to hit an object or opponent with another object in order to score. These are cool target games. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.
Bigas dahil bigas pa rin.